So YouTube, ordered this a couple weeks back, just came in the mail today, FedEx. This is the Ooler sleep system from Chili. Gonna go ahead and get this thing unboxed, get it on the bed. Looks like we have a quick start guide right in the box. This is my first time opening this. Says it's as easy as lay out the pad on the bed, place the unit on the floor, connect the pad to the cooler unit, connect the Ooler unit to the power cord, fill the control unit with water. Says it's about 1 quart of water. I'm going to use distilled water. And then for optimal performance, place a dense blanket or comforter over your body when the Ooler system is in use to provide the needed insulation and achieve your desired temperature. So that's supposed to be as easy as it is to set up. So let's see. So it looks like in this bag here, we've got our actual blanket unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Kind of fancy packaging. Somewhat expected given the price of this unit. So yeah, here we go. We've got, I guess there's gonna be 2 Ooler units, one for each side of the bed, since this is a dual system, his and hers type of setup. So we've got the blanket. So let's check what's in the box for the actual Ooler unit itself. So again, we have 2 of those with this setup, because we've got a his and hers on the king mattress. So here's the actual unit. Get this bad boy out of there. So I guess where we got the power cord and where we've got the actual water lines. So there we go. We've got the instruction manual, power cord, and this looks like this should have gone on the back to protect the inlet ports there, but I think it fell off. And that's everything in the box. So to connect this tube on the back of the unit is actually pretty straightforward. All you're gonna do is tip it up, well, so that people can see it on YouTube, and then just push this into place. You'll hear it click. That's all there is to it. And notice the button fully came back up, indicating that it was in place. Also, as you can see, it does not matter which direction the tubing is facing as it's going into the unit, as I have it facing one way on one and the other way on the other, and both of them are clicked in just fine. Everything is nice and secure. So now we're gonna fill this up with water. Okay, so for this step here, I'm just gonna follow the instructions, and that is the instructions. Oh, got a little wobble going on here. Let's get this thing sitting flat. The instructions just say to open this. You're just gonna turn it to the left, it's gonna pop up. It says to fill the reservoir with water. I'm gonna try not to spill this all over the place. You might want a smaller cup or something. I'm just using a big gallon. So before powering up the unit, you want to fill the reservoir. And there we go, the reservoir is full. I'm gonna go ahead and power it up by pressing the power button. It's automatically gonna start cycling through. I'm using distilled water, by the way. so I can hear the reservoirs emptying out, I'm going to go ahead and add a little more water. So what's happening here is it's filling the blanket up with water and running water all through those tubes, so air should come back around. And then I think this thing will give you a notification also once it's kind of cycled through. So this is the way I've gone ahead and laid the pad out on the bed. I've got my mattress, my foam topper, the ChiliPad Ooler pad, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my fitted sheets, and I also have a mattress protector. I'm going to put that right on top of everything.